How to turn off photo sharing on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. Then scroll down until you find Photos and tap on it. On the Photo Settings page are just two separate toggles. First, disable the switch next to iCloud Photos if it is turned on. This action stops the automatic syncing of the entire photo and video library with iCloud. Second, tap the switch next to Shared Albums to turn it off. After turning off, a pop-up warning appears. Just tap on OK to confirm. This feature is used to create and subscribe to photo albums shared with other people. With both toggles turned off, the iPhone will no longer automatically sync the photo library to iCloud or participate in shared albums. Following these steps, you can easily turn off photo sharing on iPhone.